What is up guys, it's Simon from PianoPig.com and today I wanted to talk about the lick. So if you haven't yet heard of the lick, it's basically this cool little line that has been used so much throughout the years. It's almost become a kind of inside joke in the jazz community. And someone actually made a hilarious video of a compilation of all these clips of jazz musicians over the last 50 years or so playing the lick. So let's break the lick right down and show you how to play it. We're going to learn this lick in the key of D minor, and this is how it looks. So it's really nice and straightforward, and obviously once you've got it down, you can come up with all sorts of variations of it as well. So I was just playing a rootless D minor 9 voicing in my left hand, but to be honest that's not massively important since you can play this lick in so many different situations. So yeah, there was a D minor 9 in my left hand, and in the context in which we are playing it, we are essentially using the D Dorian scale. So here is the lick, nice and slow. So we start on the 5th, and then we play up the Dorian scale, come back down to the raised 6th, which is actually the characteristic note of the Dorian scale, and then we end on this. So that's pretty much it, to be honest. It's one of those ones that once you've learnt it and can play it yourself, you will suddenly hear it everywhere and you won't be able to escape it. As I said earlier, you can now try and come up with some of your own variations of it. This is one of my favourites actually. So instead of ending from the 4th up to the 5th, I actually end from the 9th up to the 4th. I think I heard Jacob Collier play that actually. I transcribed that from something I heard him playing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Practice it in a few different keys to get the hang of it. And as I said, you will start to hear this riff everywhere. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.